So I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but we were trying to finish up a condo, which we finished and sold. I need to upload some footage of that house. But this is our last uploaded video where we were working on it in the middle of the pandemic. And we've done a good bit since then. So this actually, it was originally carpet, and then the previous people put down some snap-on stuff, and we put the hardwood to match. And one of the last things we'll do is sand all the wood and stain it. And today we did granite, and it's got to dry and cure and all that good stuff. But since the last video, I think we've painted the whole house, painted the bedrooms, got new ceiling fans everywhere, and like the dome lights are new and stuff like that. And we still have a ton of work to do. I mean, if we really work hard, maybe 2 weeks. But all the chandeliers have been replaced. They used to be gold, new ceiling fan. And I've still got to buy hardware for the kitchen. This bathroom had some cracked tiles. So fortunately, Lowe's had the same tiles that were originally in this bathroom that matches the master. I'm not a big fan of the 12 by 12s, but they do look fine. We also did the granite in here. But we still have to do carpet in the bedrooms. I think everything's painted except for some touch-up stuff and the 2 bathrooms. But besides that, I think we are hopefully 2 weeks away from this project, and I'll start uploading more stuff as we go through the process. But I guess whoever's subscribed and keeps up with the stuff we do, just sit tight, and I'll try to video the finished product of this house, and hopefully it turns out good.